Just another day reviewing, getting a little extra practice. The most important thing probably for this unit is finding distance. We'll do pretty well with it at this point, but we do have to do it well. Gray, what'd you get? 7 is correct. In this case, the 4s or x values are matching, so we're not going to use them. We're going from -9 to -2. When the signs are the same, we subtract the absolute values. So that's 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay? Any questions on that? Go ahead and find the quadrant for point A. Sydney, what'd you get? Quadrant 2 is correct. So look, I made the ordered pair have decimals. Do those decimals make a difference for something like this? So when you're looking at the quadrant, really what you're looking at is like what the signs are. X is negative, so negative x value goes which way? Left. Y is positive, positive y's go which way? Up. So you can see, that's quadrant 2 on our rotation. Okay? Not so bad, right? Y'all had one yesterday where you were like, had to identify which one matched the ordered pair, and some people were having a hard time with that because it had fractions to it. It still works the same way. Like if you figured out which quadrant it would be in, that would give you the answer in that case. Reflection. Going to reflect over the x-axis. Forward. 10 is correct. Whatever axis you reflect over, that letter stays the same. Other one changes signs. So our y value changes signs. We get 3, 5, both positive. And then it's just a matter of what the question's asking you for. As I mentioned yesterday and have mentioned other days, the reflection ones ask different things sometimes. Sometimes it asks which quadrant, sometimes it asks for the ordered pair. In this case, it's asking for the distance. So we're going from -5 to 5, that's a distance of 10. Let's try something a little trickier then. Rectangle ABCD was drawn on a coordinate plane and had an area of 20 square units. Point A is at 2,6, point B is at 7,6. If point C has the same x coordinate as A, what would be the smallest y coordinate for point D? Jacob? Nope. Alexandra? 2. All right, so the way this works, we got 2 points, point A, point B in this case. First thing we want to do is find the distance between those 2 points. So we're not using those 6s right now. From 2 to 7 is how far? 5. Since it's asking for the smallest, we're going to go down to make our rectangle. If it was asking for largest, we would go up instead. But we're going to go down since it's asking for smallest. Now we need to figure out how many we go down. So if one side of the rectangle is 5, the area is 20. So what we're looking for is what times 5 equals that 20. So what times 5 is 20? 4. That's where that 4 comes from. So on the right track, if you got 4 as the answer, you got one more step though. What that 4 means is we were going down 4. And if we're going down 4, down, up or down is the y value. So we take the y value, and down 4 means we're subtracting 4. That's how we get 2 as the answer. Okay? Any questions on that one?
So if you do 2 minus 7, that equals 5.
Yeah?
How do you get 6?
So to clear it up, it's the y coordinates. So it's asking about the y coordinates, and up and down is y. So the y value, the y value. The 7 minus 2 is the 5 for the distance on the top. That's what that is, the length on the rectangle. We get the width by doing the division basically, 20 divided by 5. That's the 4, and then the 4 gets subtracted from the y value. Any other questions on that? I've seen one too where they've graphed the points and asked you basically the same question, just instead of telling you about the ordered pairs, they put them on a graph. But, you know, same basic idea. Oh, we didn't do a triangle yesterday at the beginning of class, so let's go ahead, find the area of that triangle. Kyle, what'd you get?
36.
Nope. Try. 18. Area of a triangle, base times height divided by 2. So you did the base and the height correctly. You just got to remember to divide by 2. So we need matching x's. I got 5, 7, and 5, negative 2. When the signs are different, I'm going to add absolute values. So 7 plus 2 gives me 9. Then we need matching y's. The y value that matches is the negative 2. So signs are the same. We subtract absolute values. 5 minus 1 is 4. And then, like I said, it's base times height divided by 2. So 9 times 4 is 36. 36 divided by 2, 18. Okay? Any questions on that one?